Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's cooking tutorial I'll be showing you how I make my jalapeno and chicken and cheese samosas. Stay tuned and let's get cooking. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some oil to the pan. I've blitzed 2 medium-sized onions and I'm going to cook that on here for about 5 minutes until the onions go soft and light brown. I'm then going to add in 1 kg of chicken mince and I'm just going to cook that on here for about 10 minutes on medium heat and just give that a good stir. I've added in 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm then going to place the lid on top and let that cook for another 10 minutes. Then blitzed 7 to 8 green chilies and I've added that into the mixture. I'm just going to give that a good stir. Then going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese salt. I'm now going to add in 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper and I've just chopped them up into small pieces. I'm going to add that in and just give that a good stir. And to add some chili flakes to give it that extra kick of flavour. I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to now add in 5 tablespoons of jalapeno sauce. You can add in more and I have done whilst I was cooking this, just to give it that extra kick of flavour. Then going to add in 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. And give that a good stir. I'm going to cook that and mix it all together for another 5 minutes. Once the mixture's cooled down, I'm then going to add in Philadelphia, some soft cheese, about 200 grams worth. Once the mixture's cooled down, mix that together and add some cheese. Once that's all mixed together, I'm then going to let the mixture cool down and then we'll start filling the samosas. Okay, so the mixture is now ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now show you how I fill my samosas. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone who is celebrating. May the celebrations of this fasting month spread happiness and joy and peace in your life. Okay viewers, so I'm just going to show you how I do my folding of the samosas. I'm using some paste which is made from flour and water, and I'm just using that to seal the samosa and fold them, so that all the corners are sealed nicely. Okay, so the samosas have now been filled. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip them in egg and coat it with breadcrumbs, and then they are ready to be cooked. Honestly guys, this is a must-try recipe. So if you've got any family or friends coming over for iftar, you want to try something different, something new, then please follow this recipe. You will not be disappointed. My kids absolutely loved these, and this is something I will continue to keep in my freezer. I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for some more amazing recipes from me. Thank you.